And good Monday evening, everyone. Glad you could join us tonight. I'm Nick Toma. Candace Kelly has the evening off. Well, it is a debate over religion that has finally hit a federal court. Lawyers for the Counter of Lackawanna Transit System and the American Civil Liberties Union squared off today before a judge. At issue is COLTS' rejection of an advertisement from a local atheist group several years ago. Eyewitness News reporter Eric Dable live for us at the COLTS Intermodal Center in downtown Scranton with more. Eric?
Nick, good evening. Back in 2015, the ACLU of Pennsylvania filed that federal lawsuit against COLTS after the agency refused to run an ad on its buses for the Northeastern Pennsylvania FreeThought Society. Now, in refusing the ad, the ACLU believes that COLTS actually violated the atheist group's right to free speech. Lawyers for the American Civil Liberties Union and Justin Fakula of the NEPA FreeThought Society leave court Monday after arguments before a federal judge wrapped up. They believe COLTS discriminated against Fakula's group when it refused to run this ad on its buses, which featured the word atheists.
In this area, religion is particularly popular, and the viewpoint of atheists, of secularists, is very unpopular. As an organization, we're seeking to provide a community of supports and have our face in the public.
COLTS argued the advertisement violated a policy set up in 2013, which prohibited ads that specifically mentioned politics or religion, among other things. The bus company argues its policy is reasonable because it worries about heated debates or even fights breaking out. We showed the ad to several bus riders in Scranton Monday who weighed in on the issue.
That could be taken several ways. So I see why that could be offensive to some people, and they would want to give COLTS hell, and COLTS don't want to start that.
While some people took issue with the proposed ad, others didn't, and they felt it should have run.
Just like anybody else, they can advertise. I don't know what the problem is.
I don't have an issue with that. It's expressing another type of mindset, a different type of culture.
Anthony DeMoore lives in Rochester, New York. He thinks the ad could have actually sparked meaningful discussion.
One of the biggest Christian lessons, I think, is always accept other people and trust in your neighbor and build a community.
Now, the judge was asked today to declare COLTS' advertising policy as unconstitutional, but we likely won't have a decision from the judge until at least early next year. That's because the judge today gave lawyers on both sides until January 5th to file more legal documents. We're live tonight in downtown Scranton. Eric Dable, Eyewitness News.
Interesting case on a lot of levels there. Eric, thank you. Now, the NEPA FreeThought Society is not seeking any monetary damages from this lawsuit. The group says it still wants to run its advertisements, and it hopes the judge allows them to do just that.